y'all. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome to Southern Yankee DIY. I'm Leah and I'm so glad to have you here today. If this is your first time joining us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below because you don't want to miss out on any of Southern Yankee's DIY projects, room renovations, or budget-savvy home decor. Today we've got something extra special planned for y'all. We teamed up with a bunch of other incredibly talented bloggers to bring y'all a bunch of upcycle projects. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my very own napkin rings out of dollar store shower curtain rings. This project is so fun because it's so budget savvy and also easy to make, and I think that napkin rings really button up a tablescape and give it that extra special touch you're looking for when hosting. So I'm going to link the other bloggers below so you can check out all of their projects, and let's get started. So I like to start off with all of my supplies. I've got my dollar store plastic shower curtain rings. These come in a pack of 12, but I'm only using 6 for this one, so then I'll have 6 more for my next project. I use the twine that I got from the dollar store also, a hot glue gun, and then florals of your choice. These are little clip-on ones that I got from the Walmart. They were like $1.50 a piece, so this was the perfect project and the perfect price. I start by taking my twine and wrapping it around the shower curtain ring. To get it started, I use a little bit of hot glue in the center of the ring right there so that we can have a good starting point. Then after I get my glue all on there, I'm going to stick my twine on and then just start simply wrapping. If you open up the shower curtain ring, then you can wrap a lot easier. You want the two pieces separated to make it easy. Once you have your twine started, it's time to wrap around the rest of the ring. Make sure you're wrapping nice and tight. You don't want any peek through from the shower curtain ring. You may even have to overlap your twine on the bigger portion. I just wrap and wrap and wrap until I make sure that there's no peek through. Once you make it all the way around your shower curtain ring, you'll want to cut off a little excess piece of twine. This will make it easier to finish wrapping. Place another dab of hot glue at the top where we started and finish off your twine. Once we're finished wrapping our twine, we'll want to leave the portion where the shower clip connects free. In this little groove is where our flower will sit. In this case, the flower has a clip so it fits nicely into that groove. We're going to apply a generous amount of hot glue to that area to hold the flower. I like to hold mine in place for about 30 seconds, just to make sure it's nice and secure. Feel free to add extra hot glue once your flower is in place. There is a little portion of the string that's left after I'm done tying it that I like to just wrap around the clip portion, just for some extra security. Then I hot glue a little piece in and hold that into place with the scissors. This way it just gives it a nice secure hold. At the very end, I just like to cut off a few of the little stick out pieces from the twine. Sometimes there's not a lot, but sometimes it does need a trim. And that's it. Your DIY napkin ring holder is complete. I love, love, love them, and they're so easy to make. I make about 6 for a table setting, but feel free to make however many you want. Once you start going, the process is super easy and kind of therapeutic. The rest of the set always goes a lot faster for me, probably just because I've got the gist of it down in the hand motions. I really love, love, love this project because obviously it saves me a bunch of money, but these flowers really add something special and sweet to my tablescape. The best part is that you can customize it for any season, occasion, by simply changing out the flower, adding different kinds of greenery, or maybe doing something completely different altogether like adding a pumpkin. I did that for fall this year with some dollar store pumpkin clips. I also made some Fox Pottery Barn ones with some spring flowers I got on sale at Michael's that turned out super pretty. You can check out both of those projects on the blog. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions you have below, and I can't wait to see how yours turn out. Don't forget to check out all the other super talented bloggers that are participating in this upcycle project. Their links will be linked below for you. I hope you guys have a great day and happy making!